That's basically just how you get around. And if you just watch me for a minute, it's kind of a hop, 2, 3 sort of a step. So you start out with your foot normally you'll start out with your weight on your left leg and you're going to get a little hop and then skip forward. So it's hop 1, 2, 3, hop 2, 2, 3, hop 3, 2, 3, hop 4, 2, 3. And you can do it backwards. I hop on that leg and going back. Hop 1, 2, 3, hop 3, 2, 3, hop 3, 2, 3, hop 4, 2, 3. Forward. Hop 1, 2, 3, hop 2, 2, 3, hop 3, 2, 3, hop 4, and back. 1, 2, 3, and 2, and 3, and 4, 2, 3. Okay, now if those little skips are more than you want to deal with, you can also go 1, 3, 2, the main thing is to get your body in the right place at the right time. Okay? So don't worry about steps that are fun. So that's one step, and we'll do it in all the dances that we do. See, second step is kind of a sideways step. You can think of this as a way of watching your partners that can't go with their gun. It's a way of going sideways without taking your eye off what's in front of you. It's called the segment because there's 8 steps and sideways. So it goes like this. I'm going to do it facing you, but obviously if you do it, it would be mirror image. And then I'll turn around and we'll do it together. Got this. So again, you go this way, and then you dance in place for a little while, and then you come back. So it's a sideways step. It goes like this. Again, you start, you're going back to the right with your weight on your left foot. You're going to give a little hop to the side. So just watch what we're trying to do with the left hand. Up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back on the right foot. Then you just do a little dance in place. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you bring your right leg around and go backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In place 2, 3. In place 2. I'm going to turn around and you can see how I would do it facing the way you're facing. So, if we're going to the right, it would be up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In place 2, 3. In place 2, 3. And back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In place 2, 3. In place 2, 3. Okay? And you can also go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In place 2, 3. In place 2. There's an old word. Just another pointer. If you were going to the left, instead of trying to have to go always do it, you would push your weight on your right foot and go this way. So it's not like this. Up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You waving that boy.